Washing machine, microwave, rice cooker. All these appliances can be seen in every home. They save us valuable time and money. We have created a new appliance which will be part of every home, an automatic meal maker. In general, you spend hundreds of dollars on food if you eat outside, but just few if you cook at home. But cooking at home is almost a part-time job, taking almost 20 hours of your precious time each week. Our appliance doesn't take a lot of space, just half the size of microwave. It has a big 5-inch touchscreen, speaker, it can be voice controlled. It's an IoT device, so it's connected to internet via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. All you have to do is put the ingredients you want in the appliance and let it cook. In the comfort of your home, all those good food and tastes from around the world is available at the touch of a button. You can explore new tastes and flavor from all over. The appliance is a smart cooker which connects to your phone and internet, so you can download as many recipes as you want from the recipe store, or you can even sell your own recipe and make some money. Let us show you how it works. The appliance has a container for ingredients and spices on the top and a cooking pot under it. First, you open the lid and put the ingredients in the container and select a recipe. The cooker will start to cook as per recipe, adding the ingredient at correct time and temperature. You can see the meal cooking from the window in the pot.
Art, where is that bottom?
Michelle, where's that lid?
All these bottoms and all these lids, and of course, never to the fit.
Introducing Stick and Stack from JML, the patented magnetic container system with interlocking buttons and bases so you never lose a lid. Every Stick and Stack has a special magnet sealed inside. Each lid is instantly attracted to the other. With its interlocking buttons and bases, every Stick and Stack container attaches to every other. That's right, they snap and stack just like that. And because of the special magnets, you never have to worry about losing a lid. They stick, stack, and stay until you put your stuff away. Stick and Stack helps your food stay fresh. And because they interlock, they easily stack and travel from place to place and save you space. Stick and Stack is perfect to organize all your meals at home and on the go. They keep dressings with your salads, sauces with your chicken nuggets, or sandwiches with your sides. The no-spill lids keep your liquids safely inside.
Even when they accidentally go for a ride.
Plus, they open with ease. Stick and Stack magnets are made from a special microwave-safe polymer and store in less than 6 cubic inches, saving you space. Plus, Stick and Stack is BPA-free, freezer and dishwasher safe.
And because they interlock, they easily stack and travel from
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Tired of waiting for your noodles to boil? Craving a quicker, cleaner way to your ramen? Forget the stovetop wait and microwave mess. Introducing Ramen Now. Ramen meets speed. In the dish. Slide it in. Just add water. Press and go. Ready to eat. Ramen Now. Fast, yummy ramen.
Magic Milk.